Hey everybody, it's Jameson at Grizzly Industrial, and today I want to show you something that has been a game changer in my personal shop, and that is an electric workbench. So having 3 programmable heights is a big deal, because then any machine you have in your shop that needs an outfeed system, you suddenly have that right at your fingertip. Now that's great for outfeeds on any machines, whether it's a table saw, a bandsaw, or a sander. This style of table makes a great assembly table. Now, if you've worked in any cabinet shop before, you know that a lot of traditional benches are down around shin height so that you can work comfortably on the top of a cabinet. This thing allows you to go down to, well, shin height and also up to chest height with the actual tabletop. That is huge, and it saves your back a ton. So an electric workbench is a great thing for that, and this can hold up to 265 pounds. Another great feature. What else can you use an electric workbench for? Well, as you can see with the T-Track table on this model, you can actually just make it your face frame creation station. So that's really easy. Simply put your clamps into the T-Tracks and hold down your workpieces. This combo is also really easy to assemble. With a couple screws, you're up and running in no time. It's really easy to see how this can become the centerpiece of your shop. Now, you can also make it even more functional by adding something like a power strip. A power strip is a great thing to add to the bottom side, so you have ample plugins for things like sanders or small benchtop machines that you'll place on top. Another great thing you might consider adding is locking casters. My personal one, I've added casters to the bottom that lock in place. That is huge, so now it is a mobile workstation. And that's about it. Adding an electric workbench to my shop has made a huge difference, and I think you'll enjoy one as well. Check them out on grizzly.com. Up we go. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.